Welcome to eBits. I'm Ron Sealander, the Director of Engineering for eSwitch, and today I'd like to talk to you about our PVP series. The PVP is a plug or socket extension that is used in conjunction with the PV anti-vandal series. This socket is used to connect directly to the back of the switch from the power source. The PVP offers two options. One, you can order the socket extension with 22 gauge, 140 millimeter long wires, or two, you can order the socket extension with a solder lug style terminal, which allows you to attach wires to fit your requirements. These two options are available for the PV3, the PV4, and PV7 series. The PVP socket extension with 140 millimeter long wires is also available for the PV8, the PV9, and the PV10. The same wired socket fits all three series. The PVP socket extension options are ordered separately from the switch. The ordering code allows you to match the circuit and illumination requirements that are compatible with the switch that you are using. For more information on this socket series or any of our other anti-vandal switch products, refer to our website at e-switch.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get our monthly new product updates. And thanks for watching.